Upgrading to LED bulbs should be simple, right? But if your car has a CANBUS system, you might run into some annoying issues, like flickering lights, error messages, or even bulbs that just won't work. So, what's going on? Let's break it down. CANBUS, or Controller Area Network, is a smart system in modern cars that monitors everything from your engine to your headlights. When you swap halogen bulbs for LEDs, the lower power draw can trick the system into thinking there's a problem. That's why you see errors like bulb out or check headlights, even though your LEDs are working perfectly. Here's what to watch for. Flickering lights. Your LEDs might flash on and off randomly. Error messages. Your dashboard lights up with warnings. No lights at all. The system shuts off power to the faulty bulb. Sounds frustrating, but don't worry, there's a fix. The easiest solution. Use CANBUS-compatible LED bulbs. They're designed to mimic the power draw of halogens, so your car won't notice the difference. If you already have LEDs, you can add a CANBUS decoder or resistor kit. These little devices trick the system into thinking everything's normal. And for advanced users, some cars let you disable the warning through the onboard computer, but that's a job for the pros. So, don't let CANBUS issues stop you from upgrading to LEDs. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your car model in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.